In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check messages on a Facebook business page. If you need to stay on top of customer questions, comments, and direct messages, Facebook makes it pretty simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to get to your business messages quickly and where you can reply from inside Facebook's tools. To get started, go to Facebook and log into your account. Make sure you are signing into the account that has access to your business page. If you manage more than one page, that's okay, you will be able to choose the correct one in the next step. Once you are logged in, look for your profile picture or the menu icon, depending on the version of Facebook you are using. Click on it and then select your business page so you can switch profiles. This part is important because Facebook separates your personal profile from your page identity. And switching over helps you access the right business tools and messages. After you've switched to your business page, look over to the left sidebar and click Meta Business Suite. This is the main dashboard where Facebook places a lot of the tools for managing your business presence, including content, notifications, and of course, messages. If the layout looks slightly different on your screen, don't worry, Facebook updates its interface from time to time. But the Business Suite option is usually still available from the side menu. Once you are inside Meta Business Suite, go to the left-hand menu and select Inbox. This is where you can view customer messages and reply to them. When you open the inbox, you will typically see conversations from people who have contacted your page. And you can click into any message thread to read it and respond directly. As you reply, try to keep your responses clear, helpful, and professional. Especially if you are handling customer service questions. Checking this inbox regularly can help you respond faster and build trust with your audience. It's also a good habit to make sure you are on the correct business page before replying, particularly if you manage multiple brands or locations. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.